How to fix iMessage on iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are going to be discussing how we can fix our iMessage on the iPhone 14, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix the iMessage on iPhone 14, it depends upon what you're trying to fix. Whether you're trying to fix because your iMessage verification failed, or whether you're trying to fix because you're not being able to send message to an Android user, what is the issue in the first place? To figure that out, first of all, we just have to open settings. Then you have to go to the option called messages and look for messages app here. Then once you find messages, basically what you can see is you can find iMessage. So if your iMessage is turned off and you want to turn it on, you can just turn it on here. If you want to fix it, first of all, turn it off. Then just scroll down a notification panel, turn off your Wi-Fi, then turn on your flight mode for a while. After it's been a couple of seconds, you can turn off your flight mode and then just turn on Wi-Fi back on again. Then once you turn on Wi-Fi back again, just turn on iMessage and then just make sure you have data or anything else. Then just tap on OK and then make sure you actually turn it on first of all after connecting it to a specific Wi-Fi over here. And if this doesn't help, what you want to do is you want to actually reset some of the network settings, right? So first of all, let me go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi here. And once you've connected to a Wi-Fi, what you actually want to do is just come back. Then you want to simply go to the option called General. Then you have to go to the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then just tap on the reset button. Then once you tap on reset button, you'll find the option called reset all settings or reset network settings. You can try to reset network settings and then see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, I would just recommend you to try to update your iPhone as well. Go to software update, check if there are any types of updates available. If there is, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you in the next video.